Umphathiswa wesebe lezentlalo unkosikazi Lindiwe Zulu uthe kusekho ingxaki yabantu ekusabonakala kuba baqeshiwe kodwa sekulithuba bengasakroba efestileni. Uthi isebe lakhe liphezu kokulungisa le nyewe ukuze bonke abantu abangathathi ntweni babe nokukwazi ukusifumanisa isibonelelo.
As long as people are still on any employment list, it becomes difficult for us to know whether that person is working or not working. But we are then engaging with other government departments because we know a lot of the people that are still on the list as employed.
Umphathiswa ukathe baza kuqinisekisa ukuba yonke into yenziwa ngendlela eyiyo ukuze kungabikho mathuba okwenza ubukrelemnqa.
If people haven't been working that long and they're not receiving any other pension from the government, they do need to apply, and we can only approve them once they are not on the system, because then if you do, you're going to end up finding yourself paying people who are working in government. You recall that we even had sneaky people who are in government who applied when they know perfectly well that they shouldn't have applied.
Lo kaZulu kwayicacisile ukuba akukho sidingo sokuba baphinde bafake izicelo zokwamkela abo babesele besifumana isibonelelo ngaphambili, kwaye abo babengazange bahlawulwe ngaphambili baza kuhlawulwa kweli tyeli.
The system is still in place with regard to the old and those that had not been paid. So we might not necessarily need a specially dedicated unit because the system is there. And we haven't closed it. What's important is that we haven't closed them out. SASSA cannot close them out.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndimhlela mqhuqho eRhawutini.